Welcome back. This is our final program for this section, and this problem is about finding every possible contiguous substring within a given string. This requires us to use nested loops to control both the starting and ending positions of the slice. 1. Setup and outer loop. We start with our input string. The outer loop, using variable I, iterates from the start index 0 up to the end of the string. This loop defines the starting index for every potential substring. 2. Inner loop and slicing. The inner loop, using variable j, defines the ending index. This loop must start one position after I and continue to the length of the string plus 1. Why plus 1? Because string slicing is exclusive of the end index, and we want to include the last character. We then use string slicing to extract the substring. 3. Trace and output. Let us trace the first iteration. When I is 0, the inner loop j runs for 1, 2, and 3. This yields the substrings UB and ABC. When I is 1, the inner loop j runs for 2 and 3, yielding B and BC, and so on. To summarize, finding substrings is all about defining the correct start and end indices dynamically using nested loops and then leveraging Python's string slicing. Congratulations on completing section 10. Okay, we are going to next section 11. Command line arguments. The first lecture is 11.01. Introduction. See you there.